Adobe 2021 101, Photoshop Adobe 2021 download. Adobe had released several updates and new versions of its Creative Cloud applications, including Photoshop, Illustrator, Premiere Pro, and others. While I don't have specific details on the 2021 releases, I can provide an overview of some of the key features and updates introduced in Adobe Creative Cloud applications around that time. 1. Adobe Photoshop 2021, Sky Replacement, introduced a dedicated sky replacement feature that allows users to easily replace skies in photos with just a few clicks. Neural Filters, introduced neural filters powered by Adobe Sensei, offering AI-powered tools for enhancing images and applying effects. Improved Select Subject, enhanced Select Subject tool for more accurate selections using AI technology. Better performance improvements including faster saving and opening of documents, and improved GPU acceleration for certain features. 2. Adobe Illustrator 2021, Recolor Artwork, enhanced Recolor Artwork feature with new options for adjusting colors and recoloring artwork more intuitively. Cloud Documents, introduced Cloud Documents for Illustrator, allowing users to access their work from anywhere and collaborate with others in real time. Better performance improvements including faster rendering of complex artwork and smoother zooming and panning. 3. Adobe Premiere Pro 2021, Speech to Text, introduced Speech to Text feature powered by Adobe Sensei, enabling automatic transcription of audio content for easier editing and captioning. Caption Workflows, enhanced caption workflows with improved caption import/export options and better support for different caption formats. GPU Accelerated Effects, expanded support for GPU accelerated effects for smoother playback and faster rendering of video projects. 4. Adobe After Effects 2021, Roto Brush 2, introduced Roto Brush 2, a faster and more accurate rotoscoping tool with improved AI-powered selection capabilities. 3D Design Space, enhanced 3D design space with new tools and features for creating and animating 3D objects and scenes. Improved performance improvements including faster rendering and playback of complex compositions, and better caching options. 5. Adobe XD 2021, Design Tokens, introduced Design Tokens feature for creating and managing design systems more efficiently, allowing designers to define and reuse design attributes across projects. Co-editing, enhanced co-editing capabilities for real-time collaboration on XD documents, enabling multiple users to work together on the same project simultaneously. Plugin improvements, expanded support for plugins with new APIs and features for developers to create more powerful and customizable plugins for XD. These are just a few highlights of the updates and new features introduced in Adobe Creative Cloud applications around 2021. Adobe typically releases updates and new versions of its software on a regular basis, with new features, improvements, and performance enhancements. For the most current information, I recommend visiting Adobe's official website or checking the release notes for each application.